Hello and welcome. This is the grand finale. Girls, are you all ready for your round of buzzer? Remember, I will not repeat it once you stand up. You get a negative marking. Be very clear when you're going to stand up for this one. It's neck to neck in the first round. So this round, anything can happen, okay? Be ready and sure and take your risks properly. Your first word on the buzzer is benefactor. Chandana.
Benefactor.
Thank you so much. That's right. Very well done. Benefactor is right. We go on. Your next word is appraisal. Chandana.
APPRAISAL.
Well done, Chandana. That's right. Well done. Your next word on this round is connotation. Sunaina.
CONNOTATION.
That's right, Sunaina. Very well done. Well done. We want your next word is triumphant. Sunaina.
TRIUMPHANT.
Well done, Sunaina. That's the right answer. Very well done. Your next word on this round is apocalypse. Chandana.
APOCALYPSE.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Very, very well done. It's a tricky one. Managed to hold your nerve good for that one. Very well done. We are halfway through. It is going neck to neck. Let's see who goes one up in the next 4 words to go. Your next word on this round is brusqueness. Sunaina.
BRUSQUENESS.
Brilliantly done. That was a tough one and you managed to pull it through. Very well done. Brusqueness is right. Your next word on this buzzer round is courageous. Sunaina.
COURAGEOUS.
Well done. That's right. Courageous is right, Sunaina. Your next word on this round is choreographer. I'm going to go with Chinmay.
CHORAPHER.
That's right, my friend. Very well done, Chinmay. That's a long word. You took your time, but you were bang on when you corrected it. Very well done. We go on to your last word. Is it going down to the wire? Promises to be quite crazy. Your last word on this round is conceited. Chandana.
CONCEITED.
That's right, Chandana. Very, very well done. That completes your 9 for this round. Very, very well fought. Very, very well fought, girl. That was very tough competition for sure. Let me tally up the scores. All right, the action has gone to a climax and we've got just a little bit of formality to finish. We still don't have a clear winner in one category, but we will get there. But as I told you before, we've got some special guests who've made this occasion even more special, and we would love to hear from them what their experience, expectation, and what they believe about this format and competition. I'm going to call on somebody who's fondly called the tree doctor. Mr. Vijay Nishant, can I please have you on the stage, please?
Pleasure being here. Being a 90s kid, we always had this kind of other thing. Like we used to have a dictation and everything. We used to write it on a paper and everything. Suddenly, there is a shift in 2000. We have been to the Facebook, Twitter. The autocorrect is there. Even we doing the mistakes, it is read it in a right way. But still, you're keeping we best educate this as a this SpellBee. It's a very important because this keeps the children into the concentration. Because you see, they're looking only front. There is no going back. And the best part is the whole challenges, whatever you'll go to face in a life, it's to keep your mind in the present. So it doesn't slip in your a future and past and keep it in the present. That is what they're trying to do. I'm very honored to be a part of this competition and looking at the effort and everything. See, you all are winner. Whatever the numbers aren't going to get it. I would like to ask all the parents not to push the children. They're already perfect. So let them enjoy whatever it is there. It's only like the word has to be do something. They're trying to do it. They're already best and they're already perfect. And thank you for it.